Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's your boy Lace. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Before anything guys, I need you to stop what you're doing and hit that notification bell. And also guys, hit that subscribe.
I'm gonna have to stay. Let me get some breath.
I need to rehydrate. Hey YouTube, it's your boy Lace. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Before anything guys, I need you to stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button down below. And then hit that notification bell right there so you can get my video as soon as I post them. I want you to actually go to the mirror and stand there and say, I'm perfect, you adjust. Because bitch, if you're part of the squad, you are a bad bitch. And I want to say it again.
If you're part of this squad, you are a bad bitch.
Because at the end of the day, all you have is yourself. And you have the Dami squad because this family is all love, no hate. And if you hate, you can see yourself from the squad because like I said,
we are bad bitches and we don't need nobody to tell us because we know.
Today we're using the Andrology palette from Jeffree Star. Yes guys, there's a lot of Jeffree this week, but I love his products. I love him as a beauty guru. I watch his videos all the time, and so I was like, hey, let me support him by buying some of his products. And I love makeup, so this is something that I am passionate to doing, and I want you guys to know that. Because without makeup, there's no Lace. A total look with this, and also use the color Frost as the highlight. Like this is
beautiful.
So you guys, you stay tuned and see if this is Lace approved or not. Jeffree Star palette right here. And yes, I've been using a lot of Jeffree Star products, but like I said, I really love his products and I'm getting used to them, and like I'm ordering these like crazy. I'm waiting for my blood sugar palette, but like this one is cute. Like, do you see how pink it is? I love this. I love Frosting is a cute gold shade. We have a matte safe word, which is this tan color. Then we have Charm, which is this beautiful orange. Then we have Deja Vu, which is a nice coppery color. And we have Dominatrix, which is this nice brown. This would go really good in like a crease or like to darken up what you want because there's no black. And then they have the Andrology Fetish. Then we have Military, which is this cute green. Then we have Poison, and then we have Swallow. We're gonna snatch these motherfucking brows, and I'm gonna jump into my Dip Brow Pomade, which is in the color Chocolate. My ABH Cosmetics eyebrow brush, and the number is 14. So next we're going to brush these brows on up. Dirty, so dirty. Let me clean that off real quick. So always start right under to draw a line to define where my brows are going to be. Let's catch the interview that she did. Like, that interview was so emotional. Like, people might think that she was putting on a front, but I think she actually was speaking from the heart. Like, what? My thing is, why would you even try to come for the queen when you know that you are working with the queen? Like the queen, like trilogy, which is Rihanna, Beyonce, because Beyonce will always be in the middle, and then Nicki Minaj. Now, you can say what you have to say, but Nicki is
part of the trilogy, and I swear to God, y'all can say whatever y'all want.
To snatch these brows back to life. Heart-shaped concealer. This is like neutral. A damn beauty blender, and I'm just going to helm set at the top just to blend it out. Add a little bit of my translucent powder to make sure I set Y17 from the Gilded collection from Morphe, just to set it because we don't want any creasing. Get my Scotch tape, and we're going to wing our eye real quick. This beautiful palette right here. I will be using Safe Word as a good transfer color. And I'm going to jump in with my Y16 brush just because this is very fluffy, and I like this one because it can actually cover the lid of my eye. So I'm going to jump into this color right here. As you see guys, there's a little kickback. I'm going to be using the mirror on the palette because the mirror is actually big and good. I like it. So first we're just going to focus this safe word on top above the crease. So we're going to get all up in there and we're going to start at the tail and blend it on up. This shade, this is a nice shade. A little bit goes a long way. I'm just going to blend that all up in there. And now that we packed that color into our lid, I'm going to jump into the color Charm just so I can spice it up a little bit. I want to warm it up. And no, I did not switch a brush yet because I'm going to use this right here and just blend it out. I think that is very cute. Pack it. As you guys can tell, like that orange shade, just like this purplish shade right here. Use my Y19 brush. I like this because it has that nice, like, where I can pack the color I want in, not in the crease, above the crease. Use this palette yet, and I don't want it to look like mud, so I'm putting a little bit at a time. And as I can tell, it's not looking muddy. It's really not that bad. It blends well. This shade right here called Swallow. I love this shade. As you can tell, it's a nice blue. And I feel like if I add it on top, it's just going to give it that color that I need, that payoff. I'm going to be using the Y18 brush for that. And I like this brush for that just also because, like I said, it's flat, but it still has a nice round tip so I can get in there. It's a beautiful blue. Like, it is beautiful. And again, this shade is called Swallow. So I'm just going to pack that on in the middle. I'm actually using the concealer because I want to see if these colors work well with one another. And so far, it's packing on very well. But look at that. That is gorgeous. This is not bad at all. And coming from Jeffree, I don't expect anything but the best. Because the camera ended up stopped filming, I jumped into Andrology and I just mixed the two with that beautiful blue shade in the palette. Because I want you guys to see the layers. Like, I think that right there is gorgeous. Like, I feel like my blending technique has gotten better just because I'm holding the eyeshadow brush like this instead of so close where it's gonna be harsh. Like this, I can use less product and I can just get into the crease better and just blend it up. Then we're going to go back into that nice deep safe word and Charm, just to blend that harsh line out. Get all it in there. Blend that out. I'm going to be using my NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and I'm going to use this to give me a nice wing, and I'm going to use it instead of black eyeliner so we can have that gold on there. And I think the way we're going to darken this gold up is we're going to use Frost just to give it that. And for some reason it feels like it burns, like it has like a burning feeling, but then it disappears. So I don't know if anybody else is having that weird sensation with it, but it throws me off sometimes. So you guys see that? That is cute. This is what it looked like when we pull that tape off.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, now after I did all that messing around with that good old glitter, I'm going to just go back over it a little bit so we can have the little sparkles from this because this is very bright. Oh, that right there is cute. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I'm going to be using my Poreless Professional Matte Rescue. I love this primer. You know, this is my Holy Grail primer. I feel like this doesn't just make sure my foundation sets, that it also makes my face feel like it's hydrating. And I don't know, it's weird, but it feels so good. Primer everywhere. I just think these eyes came out very well, and I love the palette. The formula in each of the shadows worked very well together. I'm going to jump into the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. I use these as first too because it's very sticky, so I like to spray this all over my face. And also it smells so fucking good. Because I want to give NARS a try, but I cannot use this by itself because when I use this, it spreads apart. So I'm going to mix these two together to see if they work well with one another, which makes a beautiful concoction. So I'm just going to place and stipple it all over. That is like super coverage right there. And by the way, this is the Y6 brush from the Gilded collection, and I'm using it to just buff out my foundation, a damp beauty blender, and I'm going to just make sure I pat it out. It looks like very oily right now, but like I said, I need to add my powders and shit. Actually, I need to add my concealer. So what I'm going to jump into, I'm going to jump into my custard from NARS. Add a little bit of concealer right there. And like I said, guys, I like to mix my two concealers. I like mixing my Tarte and my NARS together just because I feel like it's more coverage, even though this is good by itself, but it doesn't like get my bags well. And if you hear that, that's just TV from downstairs. I'm sorry, guys. It may be a little loud. And also, like, they have like these leaf blower guys outside, so you know. I'm sorry, but I was like, I just need to get up and do a video. I don't need to be lazy. So that's what I did. I'm just gonna cut where we're gonna have our little snatchness. And I also like to let this set for a little while just because I like to let it dry. Because I feel like if you let it dry, it would set perfectly. You just mix it on top. And you see how like that went like to like super full coverage. Y10 brush right here, and I'm just going to use this as my concealer brush, and I like to just dab. Actually put some on my nose too, just because we want that nice snatch effect. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, between that nose right there. Like that actually looks so good. I feel like I look so much younger, even though I'm only 23. Y1 brush right here, I like this as a powder brush. I'll press that translucent powder under my eye. And again, guys, if you catch me looking down like that, it's just the monitor. I like using my Maybelline Fit Me, and the light medium 20 powders are completely different. This is very yellowish, but this one is like eye foundation color. Like, I love this powder. I'm just gonna use the same brush just to dip up in there, and then we're just gonna blend it all everywhere else, like around the mouth, and then all up and down the face. Because we want to set this mask, aka all this foundation, because we don't want to put it on and then it just sweats off. Like, what is the point? And as you guys see, I'm patting in the powder. I don't want the powder to just be everywhere, so I'm just patting it where I want it to go. Because if you do swiping motions, I just feel like it doesn't actually get pressed into the skin like you want it to. Very matte now. It was very glossy at first, but now it's very matte, and I love a matte bitch.
I am a matte bitch.
I don't like that gloss. I want to have a mask on. Like, if you say Nikki Tutorial, that's what I want. Patrick Star, I want the cakiness. I'm here for it. I don't give a fuck if you know I have makeup on. I am a guy, I am breaking boundaries, and honey, I am here to stay. Setting spray, just to pack all this powder in. Because honey, I can feel the powder. A Morphe setting spray real quick, and then we're just gonna use this little mist, and we're just gonna spray all of this powder down. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Finish up the face, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, after I did a little bit of contour, and then also I just added the frosting color right here as my highlighter. As you guys can see, that shit is crispy lashes from Ardell. These are the Minx ones, but it's just in the same packaging. I just reuse the boxes. However, these lashes are very cute. And then I just went under and I used Swallow and Andrology under my eye.
And the reason why, guys, I skipped forward also is because I'm using the same products and I just want to focus on the eyeshadow palette. So that's why I was like, let me finish my face off camera, and I just want to talk more about the palette.
Now we're just going to jump on to lips in the Jeffree Star family and add a pop of pink for this look, because I feel like this pink right here called Prom Night will look really cute with this. Ooh, that pink is cute. I think this pink is gonna sum this look up. These two right here are beautiful, beautiful packaging with the Andrology palette. I used Safe Word, Charm, Swallows, and also Andrology. And I feel like this look looks amazing. So the formula in these worked very well with one another in the eyeshadow. So let me show you the colors I didn't use. First is Deja Vu, which is that beautiful, beautiful copper shade right there. Then is Dominatrix, which is that right there. Look at that pigmentation and just look at the quality. Like the swatches are beautiful. Then we're gonna jump into Fetish. And Fetish, oh, that red, that ruby red. It's like a dusty red, like a rusty red, but to me it's like almost like a dark ruby. Like it's gorgeous. And then we have Military. Military is a cute shade. Let me get another swatch because I'm using a pinky. I couldn't get that much product, but let's go back over it. But yes, I'm into Poison. Poison is this beautiful bluish turquoise color. Like, look at that. Like this right here, Swallow, is a true blue. Like that, is gorgeous. Like I don't have them individually, so I have to show you like this. But the pan sizes are completely bigger. Like this whole thing is so much bigger than this. Warm neutral colors on top, and then you have the so-called Jeffree warm neutral at the bottom, which is like so Jeffree. Like these are so alienish. Domlace approved. This palette yet? Go get it. This palette right here is fucking amazing. I love this palette.
This Swallow always gets me because I don't want to swallow blue balls. Like the nut I swallow is white. I